So another thing from TerrainUL that I bought is this windscreen. So this worked awesome. I'm pretty happy with it. It's the perfect height for my jet boil. So that was good too. You know, as I've shown when I opened it, it's cool because it's rolled up really small.
So this here, I'm super excited about. This is my new windscreen. I don't use the windscreen a lot just because our campsites usually are pretty good, but every once in a while I need it. And the one I had, I just bought off of like Amazon or something, and I regretted it from the get-go. The hinges constantly would fall apart. They had little pins in the hinges and they just constantly fall out. This is just perfect. It's light. It rolls up in a round circle. And then it just opens up like this, and you just put it around your pot. And it's got a little magnet here. Yeah, it's going to be cool. I'm anxious to try that out. It's just simple, and that's all I need. And it saves me some weight and space in my pack, which is what I'm looking for. Boy, I'm going to weigh this to add to my gear list. And it's not going to add much of anything. It's pretty cool, and it's so quick to put together.
It's extremely light. It has a little like a magnetic little clasp there to kind of put it together when you get it wrapped around your stove. It's, like I said, perfect height for my jet boil, so I'm really happy with that. So what I always had was kind of one of these here, and the problem with it was, one, a little bit heavier obviously, but the little pins inside the hinges would constantly fall out on mine. So I was just kind of sick and tired of that. It was driving me nuts, and so I decided to try this. And it's very thin material, but that's all you need. You just need something to keep the wind off. It's extremely light. Like, for me, for canoe camping, it's not necessarily necessary to be that light, just because I can carry more weight with me. But every bit that I save does help me with portaging, so it is good for that. But for through hikers, this is incredible. And you know, the windscreen saves you a lot, keeps the heat inside here, so you boil the water that much faster. And being out of a jet boil, I'm already efficient, so this just adds to the efficiency.